Another lot recommendation ko naman sa inyo is this Block 2 Lot 73. It's a 280 square meter perimeter lot. But by the way no guys, sobrang mura lang nito. As for the price, it's only 13 million in total. But then no, since naka-promo kami this March for as low as 16,000 pesos per month with annual lump sum, 5 years to pay at 0% interest, you can already own a 280 square meter lot here. Again guys, no, sa mga OFW, sa mga clients natin na yung hard-earned money nila abroad, or sa mga local clients natin na nag-dream na to own a high-end or premium lot at Mega World or here inside the Arden Botanical Village, guys, you only have to reserve it for only 70,000 pesos. Yes po, and after 30 days, you can start paying this lot for as low as 16,000 pesos per month. And meron ka ng ganitong 280 square meter lot na. So guys, again, this is Block 2 Lot 73. By the way, i-flash ko sa screen, it's also near the clubhouse. But then, no, guys, ang baba lang na amortization niya, it's only 16,000 pesos per month with annual lump sum, no, incremental terms. And after 5 years, hindi naman na ito yung value niya. So, anytime naman, mga clients, you can pay in advance after 5 years, no, hindi natin namamalayan, medyo maliit na yung balance niya. So, maybe we can pay it in full as long as you pay advance payment naman. If you're interested in this property at this price and at this amortization rate, you may call me in my number below. So, call me now because very limited na lang po yung 280 square meter lot natin dito.